Today we're unboxing a fresh pair of PUMA UP sneakers for men. I got these in size 9 UK and I ordered them from Flipkart. The shipping was really fast, so props to Flipkart for that. Let's dive right into the unboxing. As you can see, the box is a bit damaged, probably from the shipping process. Not a big deal though, because the packing inside is excellent. The shoes are well protected inside, which is what really matters. I'm already loving how they look, so let's take them out. Here they are, the PUMA UP sneakers. First impressions, these look absolutely stunning. The design is clean, modern, and just overall awesome. One thing I noticed is the PUMA logo text printed on the back. Personally, I would have preferred either a logo or just leaving it empty, but it's not a deal breaker. The rest of the shoe makes up for it. These sneakers are super versatile. You can wear them with any pants, and the combination will always look great. In terms of quality and style, these are just perfect. Another cool thing is that these sneakers claim to be waterproof. I haven't tried that out yet, but it's good to know they can handle a bit of rain. So if you're looking for something that's stylish and practical, especially for those rainy days, these might be the ones for you. So I tried them on and wow, they fit perfectly. Super comfortable too, which is a huge plus. Honestly, these sneakers are far better than I expected. Overall, I'm really impressed with the PUMA UP sneakers. They're comfortable, stylish, and the quality is top-notch. And the best part, they're affordable too. I highly recommend checking them out. You won't regret it. I'll leave a link in the description below if you want to check the current price or grab a pair for yourself. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more unboxing and review videos. See you in the next one.